I've come to Crantock now. Might stay here the night, might not. Crantock's near Newquay. And we're going to go down, have a look at the river. And a look at the beach as well. Nice place this. I haven't been to this place for 24 years. Remember it being striking back then. Wow, yeah. Look at this. Sea raging out there. Go have some pennies to own those properties up there. Beautiful.
So this is all filled up?
Yeah, it's
So we're on the riverbed?
yeah, it's a tidal river.
Yeah.
So when the tide comes in, this rushes in. It's quite a dangerous river when the tide's flowing. Nice to see all that cloud and rain's disappeared anyway. We might get a decent sunset tonight. And that wind's cold. Amazing place.
Into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast?
Normally this is the steps to get up, but you can see where the storm snapped the lower section away. So we've got to find another way around. And now we just climb up.
Think I were civilized. Beyond our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go?
Nice walk on the beach, that. Interesting. Not your usual beach. Estuary beaches are a lot more interesting, I think. But last year we were at the Camel Estuary, which is amazing down there. Sand flats as far as the eye can see. But yeah, now we're off to our park up for the night. I'll show you where we decided to park up for the night. That moon out up there, lovely. The ocean over there. show you on the board where we are. Just going to go and have a quick look at the old mine workings. And views. Missed the sunset, unfortunately. Super windy. Bray over in the distance there. Yeah, gonna enjoy it, yeah. Look at that for a view. This would have housed the beam engine, I should imagine. Hello, Jackie. Where it would have fitted. There goes my hat. Oh, that was on tight as well. Super windy. Oh wow. Look at that for a view. Oh, shower from the wind. Oh, it's so cold. Beautiful.
I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge. You asked if I'd save you, if you were crazy enough to take a swim. I tried to make you see that my shoulder's ready for you to lean on. So why do you still flee when you know that you are the one? I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl's dog. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl's
Can't come to Cornwall and not have a built Cornish passion. Lovely.
We were walking on the sidewalk when we bumped into this person that I knew. You thought it was an old flame, but I told you it's not, so let it go. I tried to make you see that I would not betray you in a million years. So why do you still flee when you are once with you, once and for all. Just tell me how I can set you free. I need to know. I can tell that you've been through some kind of heartbreak. All I ever been with you is faithful like a blind girl. Every time I give you love, you still look so doubtful. I'm faithful like a blind girl.
We're at Godreevy. I found this little corner where there's no wind. What's that? Lovely place to come in the summer, this is. Great beach. An awesome place. Over there is St Ives on that peninsula. Looking down to Gwyvion Beach and Hell Estuary. Well, that came up quite close. Love this place. We're actually overnight up here. Up on the top there, there's a little National Trust car park. And if you get up early in the morning before the ranger comes along, it's fine. We stayed here 3 years running in the summer now, for a night here and there. How was that then, Jackie?
It was absolutely stunning.
Beautiful down
One
there.
of my favourite places.
Just to show you where those vehicles are there, that's where we normally park up for a night when we stay here. With that view. One of our favourite park ups, that is. And like I say, we've never had any hassle before. Just be up in the morning at 8 o'clock before the National Trust Ranger comes along. And he knows you've been there all night. He says good morning to you, he's alright. But we normally only stay for one night and go.
We pick up any rubbish we find anyway, don't we?
Yeah, we've cleaned the place up. This is Portreath. Very stormy. On the harbour wall now. Look at that. Nearly. Such a stormy sea, but sunny day. Hey, it got her. Yeah. See all the people on the wall over there. Had to go running then.
My boots are full of water now. Cold.
Awesome. This one should be a good one.
Oh my word.
Here it comes. Oh. Oh, there you go. She soaked that girl over there. Look at this one. Just come through. Wow. I've actually been down here in a spring storm and seeing the waves go right up over that cliff to that house up there. Crazy.